In a world where freshness, organization, and reducing food waste are paramount, the right food storage containers are essential. Stay tuned because in this video, we're about to unveil the top 5 food storage containers that will transform the way you store, organize, and preserve your food. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Anchor Hocking TrueSeal Glass Food Storage. This set contains a variety of round containers, including one 1-cup, 2-2-cup, 1 4-cup, and 1 7-cup size, each equipped with green TrueSeal lids. What makes these containers exceptional are the TrueSeal BPA-free lids. They boast a remarkable 100% airtight seal, expertly designed to prevent spills and leaks, ensuring your kitchen stays mess-free. Plus, the pure glass containers are not just durable, they're also stain-resistant and odor-proof, so your food remains fresh and delicious. These versatile containers can handle the heat. Crafted from tempered tough glass, they are microwave, oven, and freezer-safe, making them perfect for cooking, storing, and reheating. The lids are also top-rack dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. One of the standout features of the TrueSeal containers is their meal prep convenience. You can seamlessly prep your ingredients, bake your dishes, store leftovers, and reheat all in one container. It's a game changer for busy lifestyles and those who appreciate efficiency in the kitchen. Elevate your food storage with the Anchor Hocking TrueSeal Glass Food Storage Set, where convenience, durability, and airtight freshness come together in perfect harmony. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 8-piece Pop Container Baking Set. This set is a must-have for any home baker or cooking enthusiast. You get 5 pop containers in various sizes, including 2 0.4 quarter, 1 1.1 quarter, and 2 4.4 quarter, perfectly designed to accommodate essential baking ingredients. Additionally, 3 fantastic pop accessories are included: 2 1/2-cup scoops for precise measuring, and 1 brown sugar saver to keep your brown sugar soft and clump-free. These containers are not only designed to keep your ingredients fresh, but also to make your life in the kitchen more convenient. The airtight seal is effortlessly engaged with a simple push of a button. Plus, that same button cleverly doubles as a handle for the container's lid. The beauty of this set lies in its thoughtful design. The accessories neatly attach to the underside of the pop lids, ensuring you never lose your scoops again. And when it's time to clean up, these containers are top-rack dishwasher safe. These containers aren't just for preserving freshness, they're also space-efficient. They stack perfectly with all pop containers, allowing you to customize and maximize your storage space. For the best results, always use the button to open and close the containers. These containers are BPA-free, so that you can store your ingredients without any health concerns. Number 3. Glasslock 18-piece Container Set. It is the ultimate solution for keeping your kitchen organized and your food fresh. This set includes a variety of container sizes to meet all your storage needs. The containers are made from recyclable glass, ensuring they're not only eco-friendly but also safe for use in the oven. The BPA-free plastic lids are where the magic happens. Each lid is equipped with a rubber gasket and 4 latches, creating an airtight and leak-proof seal. No more worrying about spills or food going bad. The airtight design also allows for stackable storage, saving you precious space in your kitchen. These containers are stain-resistant, so even if you store garlicky sauces or pungent leftovers, there won't be any lingering odors. Plus, they're easy to clean, and the glass material ensures quick odor removal. While the lids might be a bit stiff initially, that's a small trade-off for the unbeatable airtight seal they provide. Keep your ingredients fresh, your kitchen organized, and your mind at ease. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to efficient, reliable food storage. Number 4. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers. This set of 4 pantry containers is perfect for storing a wide range of pantry staples, from pasta to baking ingredients, and even pet food. What sets these containers apart is their airtight design. The lids snap tight, sealing your food securely and keeping it fresh for longer. Say goodbye to pantry staples ruined by moisture and humidity. With Rubbermaid, your food stays in pristine condition. These containers are not only airtight, but also built to last. They feature thick, durable walls that can withstand the demands of everyday use. Plus, they are freezer safe, allowing you to store items long-term without fear of freezer burn. Cleaning is a breeze too, as they are top-rack dishwasher safe and BPA-free, ensuring your family's safety. This set includes 4 containers in various sizes: a 16-cup, a 12-cup, a 6.6-cup, and a 3.2-cup container, each equipped with its matching lid. And when not in use, they stack together neatly, saving you valuable pantry space. Keep your pantry tidy, your food fresh, and your family happy. Number 5. iDesign the Spruce 7-piece plastic organizer bin set. This versatile set includes 7 essential bins, each expertly designed to simplify your life. The egg storage bin, featuring a secure lid, can accommodate up to 18 eggs, while ensuring their protection. The beverage organizer, capable of holding 9 bottles, boasts a raised edge to prevent them from rolling around, making it perfect for your kitchen, cabinet, or pantry organization. For your fresh fruits and veggies, the berry bin, divided bins, and smaller storage containers are ideal. Each container includes a matching lid with integrated notches that minimize excess moisture and help keep your produce fresh. One of the standout features of this set is its modularity. These clear plastic bins are designed for easy stacking, making it convenient to pair them with other iDesign food storage containers. Their clear design ensures that you can see the contents at a glance. And to top it all off, these bins are made from durable BPA-free plastic, which is also eco-friendly, consisting of 100% post-consumer materials. They can be easily cleaned with just soap and water, ensuring they stand up to the rigors of everyday use. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.